Hi guys, welcome back to Piper's Place. I'm gonna be editing my face out mostly. Oh, don't fall. Yay! I forgot that I opened this. ADHD, am I right? Anyways, so I'm gonna be trying to figure out how to work my sewing machine. I have no clue. I might just go ahead and plug that little piece of crap in. I don't want to cuss in case my mom finds my channel. She doesn't know that I have the YouTube. She'd actually prefer if I didn't have the YouTube, so yeah. Let's see, what's this? Okay. Yeah. Don't fall. I got a new desk, so I thought, yes, I will use my sewing machine. I mean, it's not mine, it's actually my mom's, but it's a treadle machine. I assume. If I repeat myself, it's just because I'm used to repeating myself, and I'll probably just... Okay, cool, it went in. That's what she said. I also have friends who wouldn't like it if I cussed, so... That's what it's like growing up in a Christian household with Christian friends. It's painful. Let's see. Turn this on. I have no clue. I haven't even threaded the needle. I should probably get like a pair of scissors to cut this. Hey, but you know what? Wire cutter. That'll work. Cool. Neat. I'm just gonna like test it out. No idea how to use this thing, so my mom went to go visit a friend, so I'm not exactly home alone. I still got my brother, which is annoying because I don't want to film a video with my brother home. But then again, I'm also impatient. I want to post content, so okay. There we go. If you unwind or some crap, I will divorce you. So, come on. You can do it. Just do it. I might have to actually... Stop pulling. I swear. It won't let go. Here, you know what? This. Still rolling. There's another video that I've been working on. It's just me sketching. It's just me sketching. But I'm gonna voice over it. Obviously, because where else would I post it? But what else would I do with it? But that's what you do. I think that's where it goes. Could be wrong. For reference, this is a Kenmore machine. That thing. Yeah. So now I'm gonna try to thread the needle again. This is gonna be fun. I really prefer to hold the needle when I try to thread it by hand, because I suck and you swallow. Oh crap, I almost got it. Oh my gosh. I'm so blind. Yes! I did it! I did it! I did it! Guys, I did it! Oh my gosh. I shouldn't be this proud, but like, dude, I got it. I'm so happy. I don't know what else to do with it now though. Like, I've threaded it. Do I make it secure? I don't know. We're gonna see. I don't know if I did. I'm gonna turn this on. I've been wanting to do a little more interactive videos, all I've been posting so far is just speed paints of my characters, or sometimes even like a self-portrait in my weird cartoon style that I absolutely love. So I'll need to do that, and I also have to reset up the place where I was doing that sketch. The one that I was talking about. It's gonna be a full drawing. It's not just a sketch. That video is gonna be so long. And it's just gonna be me rambling on about crap. And there's gonna be music in the background, so I don't know if you're interested in that, but okay. So I guess I'll turn this on. Oh, I forgot there was a light in it. I'm stupid. Let's see. Do I have any, like, I have this, but I don't want to use that. Can't get it. What is this, a bed sheet? Someone might get a little mad at me if I use this. I'm just going to use my scrap, my cabbage. Just going to use my cabbage. That scares me. That scares me. I don't know what to do with this. It's like in the way. I don't know what to do with that. It's like in the way. Okay. Guess just. Why isn't it doing anything? Like it's making a sound, but it's not doing anything. What's this? What does this do? It's like little knob on the side. If any of you like know how to use a sewing machine, please tell me what to do, because I have no clue. That rhymed, but like I have no idea what to do. Are you gonna sew? I don't know what to do. What if I do that? Will that work? I feel like I'm in a car. That's no less terrifying, but I don't know what to do. It's not doing anything. Did I do something wrong? It's like I threaded the bobbin and crap. I don't know what to do. Well, this turned out to be anticlimactic. I was so excited! And then you just decided to not work. Okay. I don't know what to do. Do I just press it all the way down? Because I don't want to do that. Okay, this is like a car. I don't like this. And I don't like this any more than trying to drive a car. I've never driven a car in my life. I'm just saying. And, like, you work, though? Nothing's happening. This is really annoying. Just because you're up there. I don't know. I'm gonna put... Nothing's happening. Okay, so that's the setup, I guess. If you can see it, I don't know. I'll have to go back in with, like, a shot that I can actually see what you're saying. My whistle. Anyways, this is what I'm talking about. I decided to just go ahead and take the same shot. This is what I'm seeing, and it's not doing anything. Like, I don't know if I'm supposed to. Maybe I am. Maybe it's actually a hand turn machine, but you just need that to get it going. Oh, that's what's turning. This. What? I don't know what to do with this. This doesn't do anything. Push it in. Okay, so I don't know how to fix my needle, but I figured it out. It's a hand turn machine. Yeah, idiot. Okay, so now it's got a longer tail. So I'm gonna try to do something with that. Oh, it worked. I did something. Okay, back on track. Okay, let's try to. Come here. It made one stitch. It made one stitch, and I have no idea what it made. It made one stitch. Okay, hold on a moment. Give me that. I'm just gonna clip this so I don't get electrocuted and then yay. Okay, so I just clipped it and it made one stitch. Should probably turn that off before I tried to unplug it, because anyways, I think that's gonna be all for now. Oh, what did I do? Okay, whatever. So I think that's gonna be all for now. I'm gonna put this video together, and then, if any of you guys have any advice, this is the kind of machine that I have. My mom has like no experience with it, and I don't have any people that live near me that know how to work one of these, so that or they're too busy. So bye guys, I hope you had a great day, night, whatever time it is. Personally, it's like before noon for me right now, and so I hope you had an interesting time watching this. Alright, bye bye.